Greetings, YouTube. Danny Staten here on the Danny Staten channel. I come out here and started this video because one of my neighbors called me and said he'd heard some kind of a creepy sound out here. Kind of a whoop, a woo kind of sound. I thought I'd come out and have a look around. And why not roll the camera while I'm doing it? Because I know YouTube is real interested in this. I'm also wearing shorts, walking through briars. Oh my God, bad choice. Did that pick up on camera? I think I heard something. Definitely some kind of noise. There was some kind of a bumping sound. That was a bird, I think. I saw movement down there. I want another knocky sound. As far as I know, only one of my neighbors is at home today. It's a holiday weekend. And everybody's out and about. Oh, by the way, YouTube, happy Memorial Day weekend. Now something has the dogs down that way set off. Yeah, I'm sure that barky motherfucker over there done scared whatever it was off. But once again, there was a couple of whoopee noises. I heard one off in the distance, and there was a couple of bumpy knock sounds. And like I said, most of my neighbors are gone on vacation for the holiday weekend. I think maybe one up behind me and one up beside me across the street might be at home, but I haven't seen or heard no other neighbors. So it's kind of quiet out here this weekend. And as always, if you see anything in the videos that I missed, be sure to let me know in the comments below. Oh. So this is Danny Staten on the Danny Staten channel. Wishing everybody a happy Memorial Day weekend. And until next time, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the silly little bell. Like ever did.